So very good evening and welcome to all of you to your own YouTube channel, Niveshak Talks, Niveshak Bharat Talks. So first of all, I would like to thank you for your encouragement and motivation. आप लोगों की encouragement की वजह से we have been able to do whatever we are trying to share on a daily basis with an intent of learn and earn together. So आप लोगों के DMs की request and all that push has made me to come here with the kind of a daily summary of markets जो हम लोग at the end of the day we will try to have this one video session which will summarize what has all happened in the day to day and markets में आगे क्या लगता है as a broader picture. So I will keep it in a very simple format from today onwards on a daily basis with a 10 to 15 minutes of video length, time length का वो वीडियो रहेगा जिसमें हम लोग पहले बेसिक बेंचमार्क इंडिसेस के बारे में बात करेंगे, क्या हुआ है आज पूरे दिन में निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी के बीच में, और उसके बाद में हम 3 या 4 स्टॉक्स अगर जो भी मिलते हैं बेस्ड ऑन द प्राइस सेक्शन के जो शॉर्ट टर्म में हमारे को बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव लगते हैं वो हम लोग डिस्कस करा करेंगे इस वीडियो के थ्रू. But before that, once I will like to put a disclaimer कि हम लोग यहाँ पे जो भी बात करेंगे that will be purely with an intent of educational purpose. So उसमें कोई भी levels जो हम discuss करते हैं, this is only to give you an impression कि how we can take decisions on those levels. But markets are supreme. So जो भी view हम बनाएंगे आज की market close के बाद whatever we are discussing, वो view जो है that can be challenged in the live market. So we have to be very much open-ended to accept कि markets जैसे जैसे opportunities हमारे सामने throw करेगी, we will modify our view or modify our plan according to that in the execution timing once we are in the live market. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with today's first Nifty के साथ शुरू करेंगे हम लोग. तो Nifty के view को हम देखते हैं कि what can be the view for ultra short term और short term. So निफ्टी का अगर आप देखेंगे तो वी विल स्टार्ट ऑफ विद अ टॉप डाउन अप्रोच. सो निफ्टी में जो है सबसे पहले हम लोग डेली टाइम फ्रेम से शुरू करते हैं. तो इट वाज इन अ डिसेंडिंग चैनल कंटिन्यूअसली, और जो लास्ट वीक है इसने उस डिसेंडिंग चैनल को अपर एंड पे इट हैज ब्रेकन. एंड इफ यू सी द 5th of January वाज द प्रीवियस वीक्स हाई. सो आज फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द न्यू वीक व्हाट निफ्टी हैज डन इज, if I zoom it out, you will be in a position to see it clearly. कि निफ्टी ने जो 5th of Jan को हाई बनाया था अराउंड 17,920 के आसपास, वहीं का आज लो बनाया अप्रोक्सीमेटली 17,880 के आसपास का. एंड इट हैज गिवन अ क्लोज अबव दैट व्हिच इन इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी गुड साइन फॉर द बुल्स टू बी हैप्पी अबाउट. तो बुल्स के लिए बहुत अच्छी खुशखबरी है कि इसने आज जो क्लोज दिया है मार्केट ने तो प्रीवियस वीक हाई के ऊपर दिया है. तो नाउ लेट्स गो टू द शॉर्टर टाइम फ्रेम टू सी कि क्या चल रहा है वहां पे, सो दैट वी कैन बिल्ड अ व्यू अराउंड इट. तो जो यहाँ का 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे जो डेटा हमें सजेस्ट कर रहा है, इट इज ऑन अ डेली 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम कंटिन्यूअस हायर हाइज एंड हायर लोज का प्राइस सेक्शन हमें देखने को मिल रहा है. So which in itself, as per the Dow theory, is a decent sign to confirm or to get validated that bullish जो trend है वो intact है. So बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे भी हमें bullish up trend मिल रहा है और छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे भी हमें वो जो है confirmation मिल रहा है कि both are aligned and giving us a confirmation कि जो market में fluctuations होंगी, market में pullbacks आएंगे, so you should not be perturbed or disturbed by these pullbacks. So currently on a broader picture, these pullbacks can be utilized till the major support is broken for a add-on strategy, that is buy on dips. So अगर हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे भी if at all I see here, so 17,880 जो आज का लो है, that should act as a critical immediate support. और उसके बाद में so it comes out to be 17,900 approximately. एंड फिर यहाँ पे 17,800. These two This should be the range for ultra short term. So 18,000 के close के बाद आज अगर immediate अगर कुछ pullback आता भी है, so that should be, at least not breaching 17,800 to 900 as if today's data. So अगर हम option chain के data को भी देखेंगे तो there are a lot of put writers active on 17,800 to 17,900 strikes. So it means it should act as a support for the ultra short term until unless some drastic open interest change happens tomorrow. So this should hold good. So this is a view for Nifty. So let's move on to the Bank Nifty first. Then, so Bank Nifty को भी हम लोग first top down approach के साथ में देखेंगे. So if at all you see Bank Nifty का जो screen है अगर आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, so what it is showing is कि Bank Nifty ने at least as compared to Nifty has not demonstrated that kind of relative strength. So it has very recently breached even 200-day moving average on a daily time frame, which is a kind of Lakshman Rekha for the bulls. So 200 DMA के नीचे गए थे, एक kind of shakeout happened to shake out the weaker hands, and it was at a very crucial major support zone also. So वहां से और plus along with the confluence of 200-day moving average, it has bounced. So same story is here also what has happened in Nifty today. So जो previous week का high है, that was around 7th of January को जो इसने बनाया था Bank Nifty ने around 38,050. So it has given a close above that today. So indicating that okay, the bullish trend remain intact in the Bank Nifty also. उसके बाद में अगर हम इसका व्यू बनाना चाहते हैं तो let's go to the lower time frame. So lower time frame again, Dow theory is suggesting us that it is a trend continuation to the higher time frame because it is continuously making higher highs and higher lows. So if at all I zoom it, what now happens is जो आज का low है 37,915, that should act as a immediate support in the short term if at all any pullback happens. After that, there is a second support which is visible on the charts is around 37,600. So even if we refer to the OI data also, the option chain data on Bank Nifty, it is also signifying or reinforcing the similar view what I am going to talk about, what I am talking about right now. So वहाँ पे भी जो है 37,600 से लेके 500 तक काफी सारे पुट राइटर्स एक्टिव हैं as per today's close. So that should also be held as a support going forward in the ultra short term. Then moving on to some stocks which are on my radar or watch list, which have given a good close and based on the pure price action. So first is Greaves Cotton. Huge volume-based buying has happened today. So if we see, it was struck in a range from past few months. It has tried to give a breakout on multiple times. So this was in a range bound or consolidating around 185 was the peak. So today it has breached that 185 mark with a decent volume and momentum backed buying has been seen. So clearly from the price action based on the chart reading, it is signifying some decent potential on the upside in the coming days. So if at all we go by the price pattern probable milestone, it can see around nearly 250 in ultra short term. So second one in my watch list will be from a small cap IT space, that is Datamatics Global. So if we see the chart of Datamatics, so if it was also in a consolidation from the past few days, in fact few months. Since July it has been in consolidation. It has tried to give a breakout, That turned out to be a kind of false one. Again, went back into this range of consolidation. So आज जो ये भी है, it is given a kind of push towards the upper range of the consolidation. So if at all today's low is held and volume based buying is seen, today's low should be a crucial kind of immediate support for the any entry if at all it has been taken. So today's low should be acting as a support, and we can see immediate run up towards the recent all-time high of 375 to 380 in the short term. So the third one in my watch list will be from oil drilling space. That is a hint oil exploration, HOEC, which normally it is known as. So if you see here on a daily time frame, it has breached the lower, upper end of the descending channel, and volume activity is also visible. And today it has breached the immediate supply zone, which was there for a decent amount of time in the past. So the close has happened above that supply zone or resistance around 225. So 232 it has given a close around. So probably this should be also seeing some sort of momentum and a run up in a immediate short term. So the next is Filatex from textile space. I think I have tweeted recently on this company as well based on the price action. So my timeline can also be referred on my Twitter handle @Niveshak Bharat. So if you see here, it has also tried to give a fresh breakout today. The previous all-time high was around 127. It is on the very much verge of that to break out. The volume activity is clearly visible from past 4 days. So even any kind of a pullback, if at all it happens, should be used as a buying opportunity, or can be used to add in a staggered manner due to the volatile nature of the markets these days. So the last for today from my watch list will be from real estate sector, that is Suntech Realty. So Suntech Realty has given also a decent breakout today. From a descending channel, it gave the breakout in the past week, but the momentum was a bit lagging. So today a lot of volume based buying has been witnessed, and it has given a close above the previous resistance or supply zone around 535 to 540. So the close above this signifies that some sort of momentum back buying has been witnessed. It should be definitely seeing some sort of run up in the short term. So आज के लिए whatever I had, I have shared it out. Thanks for watching it out, and we will see you next tomorrow with a similar data or similar concept of sharing the day summary with you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for watching.